at the front of the store. Probably the most important part of the store. And what I'm noticing is not only was the curb, we had cleaned that side already, but not only had the curb not been cleaned in months, but this chewing gum here, it's got to be 3 years old. This piece here, there's a way to tell. It's only because I've been doing it so long. It's probably like 5 years old. This one could be fresher here, but they never even did the front of your curb. Look at that. Just wanted to point that out. That's it. I'll clean this up now, Mike.